I'm having a fall promotion. The next 10 people that purchase my String Theory Workshop 4-hour video will be entered into win a V5 Lucy Slicer, the newest version available. My Facebook group is open to all, but postings can only be made by students that join my class. What you will learn is how to manipulate strings of extruded clay into colorful patterns using lines and swirls and shapes. String Theory Workshop can be used to cover pre-baked items such as this giant bead, dome forms in this in-row box. You are also able to change the palette into a pastel range, one-tone colors, or limited palettes that give you multiple ranges of colors. In this bracelet, there are actually 9 colors of clay used. These are the types of string theory pendants you will learn in the class. Also in the class, you will learn how to make custom colors of pearl clays without diluting their mica shift capabilities. Alternate metallic clays also work with this process. If you ever have any questions, you can always feel free to message me on Facebook with help with your workshop. These next 2 pendants are the 2 that we will design in class, which gives you all the shapes that you can design any pattern with. We will also cover sanding. You can see the differences in these 4 steps. Also in the class, as a bonus, I will be teaching my Easy Back, my signature bail that lets you easily change out cords on any pendant with any cord, period. This is my Eye of the Beholder, a 10-inch tall rocket box, covered in extrusions from legs to eyeball to body. All the details are in my Facebook group, String Theory Workshop Polymer Clay. You can come there and ask me any questions through Messenger or on the page. All the details for the class and purchasing are also there. The group is designed to be a place where students can come share their work and ask questions for easy contact. If you would like to purchase my class, message me on Facebook and I will send you a PayPal request and then set you up for this private 4-hour video. My Create template tool is now sold at createalong.com along with my other video classes. Videos for the Create template are free as well as the PDF handouts. Please check out my other classes available on their site at createalong.com. Go to the shop tab and look for my Create template tab for everything. All the links for everything mentioned in this short little promo video are available in the drop down. And if you'd like to purchase a Lucy Slicer, go to their website at lucyclay.com. Thank you and happy claying. My 4.5-hour workshop video is $75. If you'd like to purchase, please contact me on Facebook Messenger. Students can always message me on Messenger for help with their classes. It's part of my class service. Thank you and happy claying.